All right, this is Jack from Camburg. We got our 24 Stewart Tacoma in the shop, and we're installing a new deck system in the bed. Just gonna take these anchors, hook them up to the D-rings. No drilling, no screwing into the bed. It's pretty simple. Just finishing up, tightening up the last couple bolts, and things pretty much installed. That was the decked install. Super easy, quick, functional. Our Stewart Tacoma is all dialed in now.